Crispy Air Fryer Cauliflower. Today, we're cooking up something seriously delicious. Let's start by preparing our ingredients. 1 medium head of cauliflower, cut into florets. 2 tablespoons olive oil. Half teaspoon garlic powder. Half teaspoon smoked paprika or regular paprika. Half teaspoon onion powder. Quarter teaspoon black pepper. Half teaspoon salt, or to taste. Quarter cup grated Parmesan, optional for cheesy flavor. 2 tablespoons cornstarch or all-purpose flour for extra crispiness. Here we go. Let's get started. From start to finish will take about 25 minutes. Wash and cut the cauliflower into bite-sized florets. Pat dry thoroughly with a towel. This helps it get crispy. In a large bowl, combine olive oil, garlic powder, paprika, onion powder, black pepper, salt, and cornstarch. Toss the cauliflower in the mixture until well coated. Add Parmesan if using and mix again. Preheat the air fryer to 200 do 4, C 400 do 4, F for 3-5 minutes. Arrange the florets in a single layer in the basket. Cook in batches if needed. Air fry at 200 do 4, C 400 do 4, F for 12-15 minutes, shaking the basket halfway through for even crisping. Serve hot with your favorite dip like ranch, garlic mayo, or spicy sriracha yogurt. Little tricks that make a big difference. For extra crunch, you can lightly coat the florets in breadcrumbs before air frying. Want a kick? Add a pinch of cayenne pepper or chili flakes to the seasoning mix. For more tasty recipes, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a bite. See you next time. Enjoy your meal